everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a small square bale episode in store for you today. First thing we're going to do is start moving these square bales from this stack over here, and we stack them in here in our shed. So we're going to be moving bales off the field, stacked over here, using the tractor, piling them up right in here. But the first thing after Grandpa starts messing around with that is I got to get this dadgum piece of crap 8770 tractor out of here and get the dadgum grain cart unhooked. Maybe I can use that for beans, because I sure as heck didn't use it for wheat harvest. Oh, that didn't sound too good, did it? Now I just gotta look for a good spot to park this dadgum grain cart. We got so much crap back here. Well, this looks like a spot as good as ever right here. There's trees back there, so I can't really back in over that. That right there was the best grain cart that never got used this year. So sad. Oh well, we'll try it again for bean harvest. Well, that's probably about all the fun I'm gonna have in that tractor till I get her into the shop and they can replace all that PTO crap in there. All right, let's move on to the small square bale world and go see what the old guys are up to. That's a good looking stack in there. Grandpa can sure stack them square bales. All right, we're gonna get this old New Holland square bale situated, and I'm gonna go do a little bit of square baling. Well, I was out here giving her heck with the 606. I got into this thick crap and I sheared a pin in here. I know I did. So, dang it. It was going too good. Dadgummit, I had one miss. Oh well, no big deal. Maybe 1.5 miss. I don't know what that is. I'll throw it back in there. But I really got to check the bale counter. 381, and they want 500. So we got a little bit more to go, not too much. Well, I just about died. You guys tell me what I'm missing right there. Holy cow. So these bolts sheared off from there and went right there. So I'm done square baling for a while. And I need to go change my pants. I pooped my pants. Looks like Grandpa and Larry are broke down too. We better go see what's going on over there.
Where's the rest of it?
Right over there.
Oh, bolts okay now. Just a bolt sheared.
Larry just went to town for lunch and to go get some longer bolts so we can stick all the way through this sucker. So we'll wait on Larry to get back, and then we'll get this together, and then we'll go get the New Holland Stackcruser put back together. There's some fuse or something blown out on that, which it doesn't have much electronics, so don't understand that. Whatever. So we'll wait on Lawrence to get back now. Is it through yet?
Now if you start that air compressor and blow a little air in that tank to force the fuel to see if it'd fire, then you'd kind of know.
I'm gonna go start baling. It's working. This thing, we can't figure out what the heck's the matter with it. I'm gonna go play mechanic because I'm the only guy that's skinny enough and strong enough to crawl underneath that broken down hay wagon over there. So Grandpa relieved me. He got his water jug, got his pain pills, and he's gonna be doing a little bit of baling. See if I remember how all this goes now. And that right there, kids, is how you install a new coil on a New Holland Stackcruser. Oh, come on. Hey, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Easy, Larry. Easy. We got her. Frickin' New Holland mechanics out here, boys. I'll let Larry play Stackcruser now for a while. Holy cow. I'm gonna go take the old service truck here, go swap with Grandpa, so Grandpa can come stack bales and I'll go make more bales. Good thing it's only 95 degrees today, not 100. So much for going to bale. Looks like Larry broke down again, so I'm gonna let Grandpa bale. And oh dang, Larry about ran over a square bale right there. Play New Holland mechanic again. Come on, come on. There we go. Sing-song difficulty. Well, just out here waiting on parts now. Larry brought me some more parts. We'll try that. The goal is to get this sucker started just enough. We can drive it up there to the shed, dump the load on this, leave the bed in the air so then we can actually get under here and work on it, because it's a tight squeeze.
3/8?
Yeah, grab me 3/8.
We want an extension?
Yeah.
Short, long?
Long. Okay, it's dead. Thank goodness. Now we gotta go get my piece of junk tractor. Rely on it to pull that piece of junk up here so we can actually work on it. It's a fun day today. But at least I got AC in here, boys. So we might just go to the bale cruiser and forward 3. As it feels nice to cool off a minute. Well, isn't this a sight for sore eyes? You got one New Holland piece of junk pulling another New Holland piece of junk. Golly. Hashtag when it rains it pours. Well, that was fun. I got to drive my new used piece of junk tractor. Now I get to go unload a whole bunch of small hay bales. Yay, good times. And Blaine's out here, so maybe Blaine's going to start doing a little bit of round baling. So as I'm over here playing square baler and loader man, Blaine just pulled up here. That doesn't look good. Let's go check in with Blaine. I almost bet he has another breakdown. What happened, Blaine? Oh, that don't look good, dude.
The splice break.
Oh, you did? Yeah, right at the splice. I see that.
There it is. Then I watered her up.
Yep, watered up good. Nice eye though. Glad you caught it. Well, that's unloaded, thank God. Now we can actually lift the bed up and work on that dadgum thing. He's in the shed, look at that nice stack. He needs to go back, not forward. Now we can actually get underneath there and work on it.
Put it on the Ford engine, you can't get it running.
I know.
Said there's nothing else draws off of that motor. No, not a damn thing,
No.
you know? So, I'm thinking it's going back to that overcharging.
All right, let's go get Blaine Michael a hand over here with the old round baler since it's broke down.
Do I need to turn it anymore?
No, I'm out. Pull this one. Yep. Last thing we're going to do today, because everything keeps breaking down, we're going to get the 835 Versatile hooked over to the big old chisel and give her hell, boys. Well, we're making final preparations on the chisel and on the Versatile tractor. What a day, guys. It's been breakdown after breakdown after breakdown. Isn't farming fun? Oh my goodness, holy cow. Anyway, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.